What if you could build a business that gives you the life of freedom you deserve? What if you could find the secrets to marketing, leadership, customer service, and other aspects of business that help you exceed your goals? What if you could walk away from your business for 30 days and it never misses a beat? That's what this podcast is for, to help business leaders like you find freedom from the day-to-day grind and start spending your time doing the things you love. I'm Levi McClendon, and my co-host is Josh Taylor, and this is the Cheers to Freedom podcast.
Welcome to the Cheers to Freedom podcast. I am your host, Josh Taylor, and I am with Levi McClendon. Levi, you're in the mountains this time.
I am. I'm what they call the Ozarks, I believe. Is that right? I'm in Branson, Missouri.
I have no idea.
Yeah, I think so, because I see Ozark signs everywhere. So it made me think about that show that I should start watching. Anyway, I digress. I'm in Branson, Missouri. Mountains, lots of trees, hot and humid. That's what we got here.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, go visit one of our customers while you're there in Missouri. So we are talking about a topic that I think we're finally ready to talk about. And we've been holding off on this subject because it's going to be a little bit controversial. There's going to be people that are listening that they're not going to agree, and that's okay. Not everybody is right. And we've been discussing this idea for a long time, and we've talked with a lot of our customers about it. A lot of our customers have moved away from doing this because it just makes sense, and that is using the word unlimited. Levi, when I tell you, if you're a car wash owner and I tell you to stop using the word unlimited, how does that make you feel?
Yeah, well, immediately it's like that's our bread and butter, right? Everyone is talking about unlimited and being an unlimited, offering that unlimited package. It's what's really keeping car washes going, right? Having these unlimited packages, selling an unlimited product so that you obviously can build your subscription, which is going to keep you increasing in revenue and steady, even, regardless of the weather, regardless of the season. We're wanting to build an unlimited club. And so if I'm a car wash owner, you say not to use that word, I mean, immediately like, well, wait a minute. We've spent the last 2, 3, 4, 5 years building an unlimited club. What are you talking about, right? A little scary.
Yeah, I think we see it a lot because, one of the things that I've noticed in this industry is, there's a lot of things that people do because a lot of other people are doing it. And I don't think that that's always the best reason to do something. And so as a consumer who sees that word unlimited, one, it throws people off a little bit because for me, the car wash that I'm a member of right now, they sell the unlimited plan, but I only get to wash my car once a day. So that's not really unlimited. And I know Tyler with Talk Car Wash talks about that. If you're not letting your customers wash as often as they want, as much as they want, even multiple times a day, then it's not really unlimited. So you can't use the word unlimited there. But you and I have discussed, you've got to stop using the word unlimited altogether because that's not, I don't think, appealing to your customers. I don't think they're signing up for your unlimited club because they get to wash their car every single day. You might have one or two people that come. You as a car wash owner, you don't want them to come every single day because at that point they're really costing you money. And but your customer is not interested in coming every single day. And so we've talked about using the word monthly, use the monthly wash club, use the wash pass, something like that, to entice your customers because it brings more value. And what we mean by more value is, for me, when I joined the Unlimited Club, I joined because I could wash my car when I wanted to, and I didn't have to worry about if I was going to go through the wash and it was going to rain the next day, and now I just wasted my money. But I could go again the next day or when it stopped raining, but I still got my clean car. I could wash my car for the price of 2 washes. I could wash my car as much as I want a month. And to me, that brings more value than me saying, you could wash unlimited. And now I feel like if I'm not washing my car every single day, I'm not getting the value out of it.
Yeah,
and so it's all about the offer.
I think that's the big question at hand here, Josh, is just the words unlimited. I know for me personally, and that's not just me, I've interviewed a lot of people as well. I think as soon as I hear unlimited, if I'm not a washer that's going to wash every day, every other day, I'm really not going to get the value, and I'm not going to think that this plan is actually for me. So I think approaching this more as a wash club, wash when you want, okay? instead of unlimited. And now I think, hey, I'm going to wash when I want, and I'm paying that one monthly fee. When you look at statistics, Josh, even on the unlimiteds, people on average wash their car about 2.7 times is what we're seeing, okay, per month on the unlimited.
Hmm.
Imagine now me washing a couple times, I'm getting charged. I'm supposed to be on an unlimited plan, but I'm not really taking advantage of being unlimited. And I feel
Yeah.
like that is where there's a little bit of disconnect. And so we've really pushed our customers to go more into a wash club, wash when you want, not so much unlimited. And again, you're exactly right. In the space, we see a lot of copycats, let's say, just because somebody's doing it one way, you just kind of follow suit. Yes, there's a lot of success. There's a lot of customers out there, a lot of our customers that are having great success with unlimited, but we're always trying to be better. We're always trying
Yeah.
to push the needle. We're always trying to bring something new to the space. And I feel like by tracking now, when people are canceling these washes, there is a big segment of people that are not being catered to. That it's either, you got your people who are, hey, I'm either 100% unlimited or I'm a single wash user.
Yeah.
But I think you're putting people into these segments. It's either all or nothing, and I think there could be a
Hmm.
better way.
Yeah. And well, this goes back to the idea that words matter. And this is a big deal to us. With OpSpot, we think a lot about words. And honestly, one of the reasons that you hired me is because you felt like the words matter to your customers. And so we're not just going to put text campaigns together so that we can just bug your customers and, hopefully something will work, but we actually put thought into it. And we're actually going through and revising a lot of those text campaigns to we're constantly thinking of how can we use better words. And a couple of headlines that we even came up with, if you're going up on a lot and you see a banner that says unlimited club, which is almost every car wash that I go to, unlimited club, unlimited club, unlimited club. Well, what if you saw a banner that said wash your car when you want, as much as you want? Or the headline that you came up with, which I love, is never pay full price for a car wash again. That's more enticing than join the unlimited club, because words matter. And I really do think that those of you that are listening, we've got to say that to ourselves over and over again. Words matter. Are the words that I'm using making customers want to pay attention? Is it making them want to buy, or am I just using the same words that everybody else is using?
Yeah, I really like the call to action too of stop paying full price and join our club, right? Stop
Yeah.
paying full price for these washes. Join the wash club. Don't join the unlimited club. Just join our club. Be a part of the
Hmm.
club. You're not going to pay full price. You're going to give them a discount. And that's what really, I think people are really looking for, is the ability, of course, to save money if they are going to wash. So, again, I think this is controversial. I'm sure we're going to get some pushback and blowback on this, Josh, which is totally fine by me. I think that's why we're in the space, to make people think. I was just on Talk Car Wash yesterday. One of the posts, a car wash owner posted on there, he's just kind of tired of people taking advantage of his club. And so there was a big thread about, well, don't call it unlimited and call it this and that. And I agree. If you're not going to, just like you're part of this club, if you're not able to wash unlimited, stop calling it unlimited. But if you just
Hmm.
stop altogether calling it unlimited, then you're covering your bases no matter what, right? So call it a
Yep.
wash club, stop paying full price, do this, and then you can adjust as you go. Maybe you do want to adjust. Maybe you only want once a month. Maybe you want twice a month. Maybe you don't want to do the unlimited, but at least now you don't have to redo your entire marketing campaign. And I actually think you're going to get more people into your club because again, to me personally, I do not wash my car. I'm not a part of Unlimited Club for that reason. I just don't wash my car enough. Would I wash once a month? Maybe twice a month? Yeah, possibly, especially if I could get a discount or something. Or if there was a loyalty, we could talk that a whole nother episode on customer loyalty and maybe a loyalty program that would work. But ultimately, I'm not that customer. So when I hear unlimited, I'm like, that's not me. But again, something that was a wash club that I could join and I'm going to get a discount or save some money here or there, or a loyalty club, I'm probably going to be more interested in that just because that fits my lifestyle. And I think there's a lot more people, as I do interviews and talk to people and we go on site, I really think there's a big segment of people that would agree that they're not going to wash unlimited. So stop calling it unlimited, but still get them
Yep.
into the club. Because here's the thing, Josh, they're still going to save money. If I wash twice a month, and that may be all that I do, if I just wash twice a month, once every other week, I should be joining the club. But again,
Right.
that unlimited keeps me, I'm not getting the value for it because I'm
Yeah.
not washing every day. So anyway, I think it's a perception thing. I'm really excited for our customers that have change, and we have them already changing their wash menus and changing their signage to do more of a wash club. So we're excited to see how that's going to kind of roll out here in the near future. So
So here's your homework. If you're listening, this is your homework. We just threw that out to you. Think about it. Look at the banners around your wash. Look at the signage that you're using. If it says join the Unlimited Club, try changing some of those to say, I love that headline that you just said, Levi. Stop paying full price for your car wash. Join our wash club today. Try
yep.
changing some of your headlines to something like that and see if people start paying more attention. So there we have it.
All
We
right.
threw it out there, Levi. It wasn't as scary as I thought it was going to be. But if you like the
Well,
idea or dislike the idea, put it in the comments and let us know what you think.
yeah, absolutely. We'd love to get a little feedback on that, you guys. So make sure to subscribe to the podcast. We appreciate it, and make sure to
What do they text?
text cheers to 411-365. We always want to have that call to action. So text cheers to the number 411-365, and make sure you're up to date on all of our podcasts and different alerts that we're sending out. So thanks for listening.
Awesome. All right. Hey, until next time.
Hey, cheers.
Cheers.